Okay, let's do our quick review of our words for bugs, 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 and slug must nap. Let's do our sight words first. Ready, begin. Tell, well, some, them, with, where, here, that, your, who. Okay, your turn. And let's do our words that end with the blend st. Ready, begin, fast. And let's do the words that begin with st. Ready, begin, stems, sticks, and the word. Ready, begin, slug. All right, your turn. If you have to go over the video again to reread them, that's fine. We're getting into some pretty big words now. So proud of you. And we've got sn and sp words. Let's read these. Ready, begin, snag, spot. Your turn. And let's do the letters that go together to make a different sound are called digraphs. So we're going to do digraphs. That's what these are. This digraph is sh. This is l. This is k. Okay. Let's read them together. Ready, begin. Shell, tell, well, shell, sticks, rock. Your turn. Ooh, lots of good rhyming words. And these ones are super easy for you are I, ah, and ah words. Ready, begin. Zips, sips, logs, pot, nap, nabs. Your turn. Okay, I hope you have fun reading the books Bugs, Bugs, Bugs and Slug Must Nap.